Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Welcome to the gated community of Plantation Village, St. Anne. This building is a partial two-story residence on land area of 13,739 square feet. The main level 1, floor incorporates a powder room, wrap-around veranda, study, laundry room, kitchen, combined dining and living area, stairway area, and carport. Access between levels is provided by an internal concrete stairway. The upper level 2 floor features a master bedroom with ensuite bathroom and is an air closet. Two other bedrooms, one other bathroom, office, L-shaped balcony and roof terrace. Other features of this house includes ceramic and porcelain tiles, garden area, water tank, water heater, ceiling fans, jetted bathtub, 24 hours security, central location, family oriented and level lot. The current price of this house is US 450,000 or Jamaican $70.5 million. Now, let's take a look at this property and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.